Hello, welcome to Curse Brains. In this video, I will be showing how to screen mirror your Android devices, specifically Xiaomi devices onto your laptop or any other smart device. Open Connect application on your laptop, which will be pre-installed. If not, you can do it through Windows Store. I'm using a Xiaomi Redimi 6 Pro device to screen mirror on my Dell Inspiron laptop. It takes less than a minute to 2 minutes to mirror your smartphone. Open the settings menu on your device, and see for wireless networks, then click on More. You will be able to see an option, Wireless Display. Click on it and just activate it. Your smartphone will search for nearby screencasting devices. Just connect to the device you want, and you will be able to see your smartphone or device getting mirrored onto your other smart device. You just have to make sure your smartphone and smart device is connected to the same Wi-Fi router. You may face some glitches in between, but it will be pretty smooth while you don't touch your device. Just to let you know, screen mirroring or screencasting does not require an internet connection. So if your laptop or smart device supports screen mirroring, then you can cast your smartphone or smart device vice versa. Both the devices will be connected using built-in Wi-Fi and don't need internet. As you are able to listen, even the audio from my device is getting mirrored with the video, so this makes you watch any video, movies, TV series, on a large screen with less data consumption. Hope I have explained each and everything clearly. Leave your comments and doubts in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for much more videos. Thank you for watching this video.